Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create a explosion effect in Unity, or we can create a explosion effect on any sprite like glass or any other thing. I will provide you a plugin that I have get from Asset Store. First I will show you how it works. So now you see that I have created a simple scene. Now when I click, you see that the glass is broken into different pieces. I have used a 2D destruction package that is available on Asset Store, and I will provide you this. Now I will show you how we can set up this easily in your scene. I have created a simple sample scene and put a simple grass sprite. After that I have, now let's remove everything first. I will show you from scratch. Now after that I have put this glass sprite. Now let's delete it, and again I have this drag and drop this sprite into our scene and name it glass. Now go to the add component and find the, when you after drag and drop this package into your export into your Unity, then you are able to add these component into your sprite. Now simply go to the sprite that you want to create explosion effect or glass effect on it. Now go to the glass sprite. In this scene I have glass sprite. Now simply go to the add component and find the explodable component script and add on it. Now you see that it will tell you that add the component box collider 2D and a polygon collider 2D to explode this sprite. Now simply go to the add component and find polygon collider 2D. Now the polygon collider 2D is attached to our component. Now go to the explodable script and extra point and go to the extra point. This is the script and shutter type is triangle or Voronio. You can choose any of them. I am going with triangle. Now add the extra points. I have, let's make it 30, and after you add the extra point, now go to the generate fragments. Now when you click on generate fragments, you see that the fragments are created, and you can also change other things according to your game. Now let's see it works or not. Now you see that it's not work because we have need to add a one other thing. When we click on it, it will explore. Now go to the add component and find a component explore on click. Now this is the script that we need to add. When we click on our mouse, the sprite is explode. Now you see that when I click, the glass is broken. The other thing that I have added is the explosion force. This is the script. You simply create a empty object and find the, go to the add component and add this script. Now I will remove this and show you. Go to the add component, create empty object and name it explosion force and add a component explosion force on it. Now you see that the explosion force is 50 and radius is 5 and up life modifier is 5. Now when you click, now you see that the glass is broken down. Now you can change the force. Let's create it to 300 and a radius maybe to 100. and let's play. Now you see that when I click on the glass, the explosion effect is big, and you can also change the modifier to 0. Now you see that the sprite is broken, and but it cannot go to the upward because we have changed the up life modifier to 0. If I change it to 10, it will increase, go to the higher. How you see that? This is the simple and easy plugin that you can use in your game. If you have any question or suggestion, leave a comment. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video.